In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive upload failed error. If you're seeing upload failed or a file that just won't sync, follow along and try these fixes in order. I'll explain what's happening behind the scenes so you know why each step works and how to avoid the issue next time. First, use the simple rename and move trick. Close the file you're trying to upload so nothing is editing or locking it. Then move that file out of your OneDrive folder to a non-synced place like your desktop. Rename it, adding something like new to the end is enough. Now pause a moment and look at the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. Wait until it says Files are synced. When it's calm and idle, move the newly renamed file back into your OneDrive folder. This forces OneDrive to treat it as a brand new item instead of wrestling with a stuck, corrupt upload entry, and it resolves a surprising number of failures. Next, be aware of a known Windows 11 issue from early 2026. A specific update, KB5074109, introduced a race condition where OneDrive and Office apps fight over file locks, leading to upload failed or file damaged messages. The fix is straightforward. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and install the latest updates. Specifically look for KB5078127 or anything newer, which was released to patch this problem. If you don't see an update yet, a full PC restart is the only temporary way to clear that system level lock, so save your work and reboot to get back to syncing. If the error persists, check the file and its path for things OneDrive won't accept. File names cannot include these characters. Also, watch out for leading or trailing spaces in the file name. Another common culprit is an overly long path. If the total path is longer than around 260 characters, OneDrive may refuse it. Shorten the path by moving the file closer to the top of your OneDrive folder and trimming deep subfolders or very long names. Finally, if multiple files are failing, reset the OneDrive client. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, paste this command exactly, and press Enter, %local app data % plus Microsoft plus OneDrive exe reset. Give it up to a minute. The app will quietly rebuild its local state without touching your files in the cloud. If it doesn't relaunch on its own, open OneDrive from your Start menu to bring it back. Between renaming and moving the file, installing the Windows patch, fixing names and paths, and performing a quick reset, most upload failures clear right up. Try these solutions and your OneDrive should be syncing smoothly again.